Maka tu jiru jingïohi de limbah deh akapo de le setiap di baka pau hidup mentau.
Namar haduk mentah watsan snem ngilayo la kacong jelaru te haduk mentah hi imparla ban kencngai te nang hab ban yai long kiba husiar kiba petngor kiba bun ba ulap mensau batu ban wan telap yangi kumkecak menteri hi purokwe.
100,000 people come to the inaugural celebrations of the new state.
That after the formation of Meghalaya, the first AP Shelter government was formed.
And in this way, therefore, we cannot deny this fact. The contributions, the positive contributions made by the Christian missionaries when they started setting up those educational institutions.
Dapihkan ia ke solution ke belong long term kaban ne scam hi kadai bangin hap ban pensuk thit ia ke party system ha Meghalaya
ke jimut jo ke NVDA non violent kabamut bala do tha ubriu na kaliang kadiang sha sar kaliang kaman mendai ban react.
What can I propose for the people who have suffered through the boundary of partition?
I, Stanley D.D. Nichols-Roy,
do solemnly affirm that
I will not directly or indirectly communicate.
Captain Williamson Sangma, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, gives the inaugural address.